The Dan Wolf Auto Group, located in Naperville, Illinois, has just completed an $800,000 LED lighting project in 3 of its dealerships, using lighting as a service, without spending its capital or acquiring any debt. Lighting as a service also removed any maintenance worries over the term of the agreement. American Lighting Efficiency Corporation designed and installed the lighting while partnering with Onsite Utility Services Capital to help save Dan Wolf Auto Group over $20,000 per month on their electric bill and maintenance costs. With zero capital and zero debt through lighting as a service, Dan Wolf Auto Group is expected to save $1.44 million over the next 10 years.
We had looked into doing LED lighting throughout our facilities over the last several years. Just a large capital investment that each time we got around to it, we devoted our funds in other areas, and this got getting pushed off. When it came about that we were going to actually look seriously at doing our LED lighting, we received proposals from several companies. American Lighting actually was the only one to really make a conscientious effort to tell us not that we were going to save money, but how much money we were going to save. How much we were going to save on electric each month. And then they were able to come up with financing options that no other company did.
Part of the reason that we feel very comfortable with Onsite is the lighting as a service program, and in my opinion, is very unique in the industry. We've done financing with other organizations, and for some reason or other, it's always difficult to understand the finance mechanism. In this case, the mechanism was very simple. They provide all the funds up front. We do the project, and the project is paid for out of savings. A portion of the savings goes to pay back Onsite for putting up all the money up front. The balance of the savings stays with the client.
Well, they relayed to us that, we can do this without any out-of-pocket expense. We're going to save X amount of dollars per month on our electric. We're going to pay less than that to pay off the financing of the materials and the labor. And in the long run, we're going to save money over the next 5 years. And after that, save even more money.
And with the Onsite program, they were able to take a look at doing not only the Toyota dealership, but the Lexus dealership, and now they're going to be doing the Chevrolet dealership. They enjoyed the opportunity to obtain a complete lighting project with no out-of-pocket and positive cash flow all through the whole 5-year service agreement of the project.
Actually, the installation, they didn't interfere with business at all. We had to move a technician for an hour or so here and there. But when we got to certain spots that they couldn't do without interrupting the business, they actually came in on a Sunday and did it. They came in at nights and did work. No, we never knew that they were here doing the work. Everybody's had a positive attitude towards this. Our salespeople are so pleased taking a customer out to the lot now, showing the vehicles under this new lighting. Our technicians have all come to me and told me how much they appreciate the new lighting. They can see things if they drop something on the floor. It makes it a lot easier to do their job. They can actually see under the hoods better now. Everybody involved has had a positive comment about the lighting. But we used to pay for a monthly lighting service to come out, replace bulbs, especially with our higher lights outside on the lot or in the shop. We've eliminated that service totally, and once again, saving us several $1,000s a month. American Lighting handled all of that. It was all handled, from the time that it started and until we received the check. And then the option was ours, whether we used it to buy down the financing or use it for other capital investments. Not only would we recommend, we have recommended it to other companies as well. We did our 2 stores, Toyota and Lexus, back in 2018, and then did half our Chevy store and our Turning Point in 2019, and we fully intend to do the other half of Chevy in 2020. We've recommended it to other dealers and other businesses, and I believe one of them's already come on board and taken advantage of the program. I don't know how you could not.
With zero capital and zero debt, Lighting as a Service can greenlight your next energy efficiency lighting project.